Hi everyone. We are going to be looking at the parts of a circle. So the first thing we need to do is find a circle and trace it. It can be any size, bigger the better I think, but you can do lots and lots of these of different sizes. Your work will always be the same. So once you have your circle drawn, there's a few things we need to talk about with the area of a circle. The first thing is the very center point. This is called the origin. The origin is a point that is equal distance to any point on the circumference. I'm going to give this the letter P. The name of the origin is also the name of the circle. So this is titled Circle P. The origin is P. That's just the letter I've given that. You could make it any letter that you like. Now, the entire outside measure, if you were to measure fully around one complete time, that is called the circumference of a circle. Now, when you have a line that starts at the origin and ends anywhere on the circumference, that is called the radius. I'm going to call this point Q. So this is radius PQ. That is going to be P and Q. The line above it just means it's a line segment. Sometimes you have a line that goes from one point on the circumference to another, but it does not cross through the origin. We call that a chord. It would look something like this. I'm going to call this chord AB. Sometimes you have a line that starts on one end of the circumference. It travels all the way through the origin to the other side in a straight line. This is called a diameter. I'll label this R. QR is the diameter, and it goes through the center, the best I could make it. And I'll call this QPR. Diameter. QR. Sorry. QR. If you notice, this is a radius, QP. This is a radius, PR. One diameter is equal to two radii. We don't say radiuses. It's like cactus and cacti, radius and radii. So, the center point is the origin. It gives you the name of the circle. The measure of the entire outside is called the circumference. A line that does not travel through the origin is called a chord. A line segment from the origin to the circumference, that is called a radius. A line that extends from one end through the origin in a straight line to the other end of the circumference, that is called a diameter. There's a diameter. There's a diameter. And these are the parts of a circle.